Welcome back to MV Classes. If you know how to convert Python to pseudocode already, after each Python statement is written, you can pause the video and write the pseudocode down and check if it's correct. So first of all, we've got name equals John. So in pseudocode, that would be name, arrow facing the variable, John. If there was age equals input, you can pause it now and see if you'd get it in pseudocode. Age, arrow facing the variable, user input should be capital. And a print statement. So if there was print name, and if there was print age, you can pause the video now. It would result in output name, remember output is capital, and output age.